Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Moumi and you are watching my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be sharing the most trending thing on the internet in the beauty world, and that is Ubtan. Now, Ubtan has quite a couple of benefits, and that is something that I'm going to cover in this particular video. And also I will be sharing a face mask which is ready made, and you do not have to go through all the hassles of making an Ubtan. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any time. If you're new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell button. If you are new, please do not leave without subscribing. And now let's get started. So Ubtan is basically a paste that is made by using quite a lot of ingredients, and some of those ingredients are turmeric, besan, which we also call as gram flour, sandalwood powder, which is chandan, rose water, and milk. These are some of the most commonly used ingredients in Ubtan. Obviously, a lot of people, depending on what their skin issue is, they change the ingredients. But two things that I think is turmeric and besan, they remained quite this they remain pretty much the same in every type of Ubtan. Now I will first talk about the product which I have been currently loving, and that is this facial Ubtan by Orgera or Orgera. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but its spelling is Orgera, and this is how it looks like. This smells like heaven. Like, I love the smell of this. This is how the face pack looks like. You do not have to mix water and then wait for you do not have to mix water, make a paste, and then apply. There's no need of all of that. This already comes in the form of a paste. All you have to do is take it and apply on your face. You have to use a brush, or you can also use your fingers for doing this. And yes, I will also be showing you guys the demo, and alongside I will be taking you guys through all the benefits of an Ubtan. So the first use of an Ubtan is for a glowing skin. Ubtan consists of sandalwood as well as turmeric, and when these products are applied in the form of a paste on our face, they really dry down to make a very tacky kind of a layer. And if you scrub it along with scrubbing those dry particles, your skin gets beautifully exfoliated. And sandalwood and turmeric are great for removing all the dullness, the dust, the dirt particles in your face. And that is why applying an Ubtan and removing it in scrubbing motion will exfoliate your skin and leave it with a beautiful glow. The next use of Ubtan is that it makes you look really young. Ubtan has turmeric, and turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-aging, and all those anti-bad things in it. And that is the reason it makes your skin look really young. The next thing that Ubtan is very useful for is for removing facial hair. We all have heard about this, that a mixture of haldi and chandan will dry down and remove all your facial hair, and that is what I'm exactly talking about. Ubtan helps in removing facial hair, but that will never happen in one use. You have to continuously keep doing this for at least 3 months, and you'll be left with squeaky clean face. The last thing Ubtan is really amazing for is giving you an even toned skin. Ubtan consists of, again, like I said, turmeric, besan. All these things are used for different skin problems like tanning, pigmentation, dark spots, and so many other things that makes your natural skin tone go down. That is where Ubtan is very useful, because application of Ubtan will in the long run give you an even toned skin, due to the fact that it consists of haldi, that is turmeric, and gram flour, that is besan. Now, one question which everyone has is it good to apply a face mask every day? Well, if you do not have an extremely sensitive skin, then I would suggest you can go with an Ubtan mask every day. But if you have a sensitive skin, please make sure that you go in with an Ubtan mask once in every 2 days, because the scrubbing motion is something that might irritate your sensitive skin, and that is the reason you need to be careful with it. So that was it for this Ubtan face mask benefits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.